was gon' spin and he would've did it. These lyrics I'm spitting came straight from the trenches, baby. They wanna see me 6 feet and some inches, baby.
Wake your bitch ass up, nigga. Oh man, my camera's here. Oh, my camera's here. Alright, YouTube, man, don't mind my voice, my face. As you've seen, I just woke up, you know what I'm saying? Y'all, a couple vlogs ago, me opening my MacBook, but it wasn't no sound because I got copyrighted. But you see, I have a new package, you know what I'm saying? I told y'all it's gonna be a new investment coming soon. I need a box cutter, I'm still gonna be vlogging after this. Not sure what I'll be doing, but I'm gonna test my camera out, you know? The quality might not look as good as it will after I change the settings and stuff, but I'm gonna just run and gun it today, you know, just because I'm excited to use it, man, and I'm proud of the opportunity I have to make this, you know what I'm saying, make this possible, you know. Open this right now. You know, as you know, it's gonna be, hold on. As you know, it's gonna be a box in a box, you know. I don't want it to look too like hopefully you can see me. I'm excited, bro. Y'all should be just excited as me, because with this coming, it's like a huge adjustment. Like, I can do so much with this camera. I just gotta get used to, you know what I'm saying? Oh my god. Oh. As you can see, man, SIM card, or you know what I'm saying? The Canon, the tripod, Canon G7X Mark II, ZV-1 or the ZV-E10. But I heard you should go with Canon for your first, you know what I'm saying? And I was just like, fuck it, it's always time to upgrade. This is just a start, you know? Camera bag, wipes and stuff like that, you know? But yeah, man, excited to get used to using this thing and some more stuff, bro. Like, I'm really happy. Like, this was an impulsive purchase, but I know it's gonna be worth it in the long run. So like, I'm just happy, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, I'm gonna trying to test this out and some more stuff. So what I think I'm gonna do is, I'm on my phone right now, right? I'm gonna snap into my camera, right? You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna see if I can test this out. All right? 3, 2, 1. Bro, I did not mean to fucking record, bro. Your shit hard, though. No cap. Hey, YouTube. I'm still learning how to use this motherfucking camera, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. Like, I gotta adjust the settings so, like, I can, you know what I'm saying, get the lighting to work and shit. This shit all crooked. I'm very bad with this camera as of now, but trust me, I'll be a magician with a motherfucking camera. In no time, you know what I'm saying? I just wanna see how it works right now, you know? What it look like in strip. Cause it's really a vlog camera.
A few moments later.
What's going on, YouTube, man? Still learning how, like I said in the last clip, still learning how to use this motherfucking camera. I fuck with it though, like, it's my vibe, you know what I'm saying? I just got it today, you know. Problem is, I have I got a MacBook also. If y'all watched my last vlog, I think I just showed you earlier too. Shit, I just got a MacBook too. So in order to, you know what I'm saying, 'cause if y'all don't know, you probably don't, I've been doing YouTube for a little minute, and I only ever did everything on my phone, like record, edit, everything only on my phone. So like I'm making the adjustment to switch to Mac. So now I gotta, you know what I'm saying, edit on the MacBook, get the files to the MacBook. So I gotta go get a couple of adapters and shit like that. So I'm on the way to Walmart, you know. If y'all, and also like what editing software y'all use, like what's the best editing software to use on what's it called, on MacBook? So I don't know, like I could use the app that I use on my phone and still use it on the MacBook, but I want to try something else out, you know what I'm saying? So I gotta have the best, you know what I'm saying? So like if y'all know what good editing apps, good editing software out there, you know what I'm saying, give me a comment, give me a DM or something, you know what I'm saying, my socials in the description and shit, you know what I'm saying? Just let me know, let your boy help your boy out, you know what I'm saying, so I can get this content up and, you know what I'm saying, buzzing for y'all. But from now on, I'm gonna have to just do what I can do. But yeah, I ain't gonna keep recording. I don't want to take up too much, you know. I'm gonna go ahead and meet y'all at Walmart at Wally World. No cap. What the fuck? Hey bro, stop recording, bro. Why is you recording still, bro? My problem is too that I keep looking at like myself instead of the actual like camera. Like I'm looking at myself right now and I'm looking at the camera, you know what I'm saying? I could set this motherfucker up for real, you dig, but I'm gonna just stop recording. Catch y'all at Wally World. Alright YouTube, I think this is what I need. I'm not sure though, but it looks like what I need. So if this ain't it, I'm bringing him motherfucker right back, no cap. It gotta be it though. Damn, the lighting terrible. Lock in before I tweak out. I noticed it got a hard time locking in on my face. It's gonna be a problem. I look good though, you feel me? But I think this is it. Gotta go check out. Hopefully this is it. I'm gonna go right home and test it and see if I can get the footage to my MacBook. Hopefully this is it. Bro ass better come home. We're gonna go find my sister too. I want to check out. Alright, so you know how are you familiar with like cameras and MacBooks?
Yeah.
Alright, so with that, I take the SD card out of here, right?
Yep.
Would I be able to get it to my MacBook with that?
Yep.
Okay, for sure. That's what I want. Just had to make sure. I ain't wanna. Ooh. I just scratched the foot.
Test if you want a tier replacement plan for $3. Go ahead and hit yes or no. 3001. Yes. You okay if I finish TV? Yeah. That's fine. I don't think Rob likes me anymore.
He doesn't say anything to you.
David looked.
Appreciate you.
Nah, probably. He kind of looked at me, but then he turned around and walked away.
Dag secure. He said it's it, so he finna go see. Everybody look at me like, why the fuck did nigga record? I'm telling you, bro, it's a weird feeling, but I ain't tripping. I'll be vlogging off the phone in public. It's just a camera now. Just treat it like, you know what I'm saying? It's the same deal. This vlog getting long though. I ain't gonna lie to you. But y'all gonna, if y'all made it this far in the vlog, comment USB drip. USB drip. I'm my sister right quick. If y'all don't know, I think my sister right here. Don't come in here mess with my sister though. Anybody watching, fuck around, come do it to you. She's probably on break. You know, I ain't gonna lie to you. If I don't see her, I ain't gonna. I don't see her right now, so we're about to just leave. Here she go. What's going on, bro? Huh? You got that shit on, don't you?
Yeah, I'm kind of.
You get out in a minute, don't you? Like my camera, bro. Do you like twins, bro?
This is the first time I've ever seen you vlogging, bro.
Yeah, I got the camera today, so you know what I'm saying? I'm vlogging. I had to go get this from my computer. It's so I can get the footage on here to my MacBook.
You vlogged at the thing?
Huh?
You vlogged at the
Not really, no. You get out in a little bit, so Mama was trying to go. She's like, let me in this. Alright, man. Showed y'all a little bit too much. Leaving Wally World now, though. I know y'all heard that. But yeah, light and bad, lock in for our tweak. But look at my hand though, bro. Like it's peeling. It's peeling right now. You probably can't tell them. So the shit look terrible. You wanna say hi to the vlog? Oh, she don't wanna say hi to the vlog. She looked at me though, you know what I'm saying? Bitch, I'm fucking with a nigga. You know, drip good for the Cougars, for sure. Autofocus canceled. Nah, this shit's supposed to have Face ID. But yeah, I think I'm gonna cut the vlog here. You know what I'm saying? If you enjoyed the vlog, just me getting used to the vlogging and shit, you know what I'm saying? Shit like that. Make sure y'all like the video. Comment vlogger drip in the building. Look, with this camera, I can do so much though. Like, I can do so much shit now. Like, literally so much shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, shit finna be a movie for real, bro. Like, if I don't make bangers, I'll be dumb to buy this camera, you know? But I believe in myself, so I got some shit on the flow. Yeah, y'all like the video, you know what I'm saying? I'm tired of vlogging, so about to get in that one bag. Hey, if you know me in 2019, I really get in that one bag though. But I ain't gonna keep holding y'all up, man. Y'all have a good night. Woo!